Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video, I will show you how to change screen size on Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Let's begin! So, there are actually two main ways of changing screen size. The very first one is the safer one, and the second one is the most dangerous one. Let's start with the safer option. First, we want to head into our settings, but let me actually restart the settings, because I have some random things opened. And now let's go into settings, let's scroll down and enter display. Inside display, you want to head into screen zoom. And in here we can increase the screen zoom, we can lower it down or increase it even further. And by default it's something like this. So for example, we can boost the screen zoom and also font size to get this enormous screen that is very big. Or we can increase the screen zoom very small and then go into font size and small and also change it to something very small, and now we have this tiny little screen. And as far as I know, this is the furthest you can go with customizing your screen size. However, we can also do something more. If we leave to the main settings screen and scroll all the way down, we can head into developer options. Of course, if you don't have developer options, you can easily enable those if we go to the about phone, software information, and you want to click build number a couple of times. Anyway, we want to go back into our developer options, and inside here we want to find a section called drawing. So this will be input, and here we have drawing. And inside the drawing, we want to locate minimum width. As you can see, currently it is set to 360, and I believe this is the default amount. We can decrease the number to, I think, maximum of 320. Yep. And this is the biggest size possible. But you can also make a nice combo with it with the screen zoom I showed you earlier. However, we can also increase this value to incredible amounts. So for example, from 360 we can double it down and go into 720. And as you can see, now everything is really tiny. Like, it's so tiny that our screen started behaving like it's a tablet, which is pretty funny. And this is where the warning comes in. If you will set it as something very small, like actually in the terms of the minimum width very big, like, I don't know, 900, everything will be very small. As you can see, we can barely see anything now. And if you will go even further, like so small, you will end up in a way when you can't really get it back, because you can't manually click every single option and get it back. This is very important to be very careful. So now I will try to click minimum width. I have managed to do that. And now we can set it back as 360. But you will notice that we still have this weird glitch. In order to fix that, all you want to do is go back to display, screen zoom, and simply change screen zoom once, and this should fix the issue. So yeah, that's how you can change screen size on Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. If you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!